viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you a delicious Tengra fish curry with ash gourd. For making this recipe I took half kg ash gourd cut into strips, 6 to 7 green chili, slit the green chili lengthwise. You can add chili according to your taste. I took a big size onion, cut the onion into circular disc. I took half kg big size catfish, which is also called Tengra fish. Sprinkle a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Rub the fish with spices and keep aside. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add appropriate amount of oil. When the oil is smoky hot, add the fish pieces and reduce the heat because while frying catfish, the oil may split. Fry until the bottom is set and then turn it over. Fry the other side of the fish until it is lightly golden brown color, then take it out. Prepare curry powder mixing with water. I took Malwani fish curry mix. Add a tablespoon with half glass water. Turn on the heat, put a kadai and add the fried fish oil. After the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon onion seed and a big size onion ring. Saute for a few seconds over medium heat. Then add the slit green chili. Stir for 2 minutes until it lightly color change. Then add the pieces of ash gourd. Over medium to high heat, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Well combine and mix well. Then add previously prepared curry masala water. Bring it to boil for 2 minutes. Then add our fried fish. I will not add all the fish because our ash gourd is only half kg. To balance with this, I have added only 4 to 5 pieces. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Turn over the fish and cook over medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Our yummy fish curry recipe is done. Serve it with steamed rice. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.